today we'll be reviewing this electronic clock, and there are different colors to choose from, and we got white, so let's open it. Okay guys, we got it open. Now let's get it out of the wrapper.
I'm so excited.
Ooh.
That is cool. You just rip off the paper.
So like I can touch this all I want, and then peel it off.
Satisfying.
It's a mirror.
It's a mirror?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Okay, now. Okay.
Now we turn it on.
It's hard to push over.
It comes with a USB cord.
Oh! Whoa, that's cool.
And you're going to need a box like this. Here's
Alright,
the USB
set the
cord.
time.
Ooh, that's nice. Look at that.
They're gonna set the time.
Yeah.
So the time.
Okay, guys, we got the time set, and now let's look at the buttons. So this is where you can set it, and this is like the numbers where you have to press up and down.
Yeah, it's gonna be so cool.
And if you're not setting it, you can just press this button, and you can set what music you want.
Yeah,
As
there's
your-
different music. to
as your
choose from.
alarm.
Yeah.
And this is alarm 1, and this is another alarm.
There's 2 alarms on it.
Yeah.
Let me see the buttons.
And you can put it on high, medium, or low sound.
This
Yep.
is what it looks like in the back. And here's the mirror. They've already touched it, so you can see their fingerprints.
Yeah.
Pretty satisfying.
And here's the charger. And it does not come with a box, so you have to put it on a box.
And this is the snooze button.
This is so nice. Let me
Yeah,
see.
I love it.
Forgot to show them that. Here's the
This thing's
snooze
actually pretty
button.
long for a thing, for a little charger. Okay, guys, let's see what music they have on here for their alarms. There's like lullaby songs. I like that one.
Oh, so silly. It shows you the number of the song.
It does.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's number 12.
How many are there?
I don't know. Look at your glasses.
How many are there?
There's a bunch of them.
This is number 23.
Wow.
All right, there's 25 of them.
25.
I'll show you my favorite. Number 8.
Number 8's your favorite?
I think this is the sound. Never put that over. Yeah. It says HML, which is low, medium, high.
I'd leave it on high so it would wake me up.
Yeah, it's on high now.
So what do you think about this alarm clock?
This
I love
is-
it. It's so cute.
It's
so
awesome
cute. I love
because you can
Set.
have music on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that you want.
There's more music.
And it doesn't go beep beep.
I like how it recharges.
Yeah.
Comes with a USB cord.
Yeah. And it's 11:52.
In the morning.
So
I think music is better than going beat, 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 beat.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we got this from Amazon, and their link will be down in the description. Go check them out.
You guys ready to do your thing?
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and dream big and dab bigger. We love you. Bye.